Are you excited to bring the world of Google Play Store to your Windows PC? Follow these simple steps and you'll have it running in no time. Begin by opening your preferred browser on your PC. In the search bar, type Google Play Beta. Keep in mind, this is a beta version, which means it's currently in the testing phase. Once the search results appear, click on the first link. This will take you to the official Google Play Beta download page. On the page, look for the option to download beta and click on it. Once the download is complete, proceed to install it by following the on-screen instructions. Be patient, it might take a little time for the installation to finish. Once installed, click on the Google Play Store icon on your desktop or Start menu. Sign in using your Google account and complete the setup process. That's it. Now you can browse, download, and play your favorite games or use apps directly on your Windows PC. This is an amazing way to bring mobile apps and games to your computer. Let me know if you found this guide helpful, and don't forget to like and share this video. Happy gaming!